Say hello to Chat GPT Voice, the innovative language model armed with the power of voice capabilities. With this remarkable addition, language learning as we know it is about to change forever. Gone are the days of struggling to find language partners, coordinating schedules, and contending with the limitations of real-life conversations. Chat GPT Voice steps in as the ultimate language exchange partner, available at any time and in any place. Imagine having engaging and meaningful conversations about a wide range of topics, exploring the depths of your chosen language, and effortlessly switching between languages with a conversational companion who possesses an inexhaustible well of knowledge. It's like conversing with a close friend who happens to be fluent in every language and boasts an encyclopedic understanding of the world. In this video, we will explore the groundbreaking features of ChatGPT Voice and the diverse ways it is revolutionizing the field of language learning. We will uncover the methods to unlock its powerful voice capabilities and examine how learners can harness its potential to enhance their language acquisition journey. Additionally, we will discuss the profound implications of this technology, which holds the promise of transforming the language learning landscape, empowering learners, and fostering global connections. Join us as we embark on this insightful exploration. Harnessing the colossal power of ChatGPT, which was trained on vast amounts of public internet text data, ChatGPT Voice stands as an embodiment of its creator, OpenAI's unwavering pursuit of artificial intelligence excellence. By incorporating voice capabilities, ChatGPT Voice brings the language learning experience closer to that of interacting with a real person, forging a strong connection between learners and the AI assistant. It listens to your voice, responds in kind, and engages in dynamic conversations that mimic human-like interactions, all the while drawing from its vast knowledge base acquired through its comprehensive internet training. Traditional ways of learning languages have always had problems like limited access to conversational partners, having to follow set schedules, and sometimes getting wrong information from people who mean well. But now, ChatGPT Voice emerges as a transformative force, providing learners with an immersive language practice platform available at their convenience. With ChatGPT Voice, you have access to more knowledge, so you can get reliable information and learn about a wide range of topics. It's a great way to improve your language skills and learn about different cultures too. To enable voice capabilities, you can add voice control or talk to ChatGPT plugins to ChatGPT. Voice control offers simplicity, allowing you to select a language and use the spacebar to speak and listen. On the other hand, Talk to ChatGPT provides more controls, such as adjusting the talking speed, selecting different voices and languages for you and ChatGPT, and the ability to edit your message while using voice. There are numerous ways learners can make the most of ChatGPT with voice for language learning. Here are some key strategies to maximize its potential. Conversational practice. Engage in dynamic conversations with ChatGPT Voice to practice your speaking skills. Initiate dialogues on various topics, express your thoughts, and ask questions. The AI assistant will respond in kind, providing an interactive and immersive language practice experience. Pronunciation improvement. Utilize the voice capabilities of ChatGPT Voice to refine your pronunciation. Speak phrases, sentences, or even paragraphs, and receive feedback from the AI assistant. Pay attention to the pronunciation suggestions and try to emulate native-like speech patterns. Vocabulary expansion. Ask ChatGPT Voice for word definitions, synonyms, or examples of word usage. This helps you broaden your vocabulary and understand how words are used in different contexts. You can also request translations of specific words or phrases to enhance your language comprehension. Cultural insights. ChatGPT Voice possesses a vast knowledge base that extends beyond language skills. Take advantage of this wealth of information to gain cultural insights about the language you are learning. Ask about traditions, customs, and notable cultural aspects associated with the target language. Grammar and syntax assistance. Seek guidance from ChatGPT Voice on grammar rules, sentence structure, and correct word order. The AI assistant can provide explanations and examples to help you grasp the intricacies of the grammatical nuances of the language. Task-based learning. Assign specific language learning tasks to ChatGPT Voice. For example, ask the AI assistant to provide you with a short story to read aloud or present you with language exercises to practice grammar concepts. This interactive approach keeps you actively engaged in the learning process. These examples demonstrate the versatility of ChatGPT with voice for language learning, the new level of interactivity and immersion to language learning it brings, and the individualized learning it can offer as it has the ability to provide personalized feedback, tailor exercises to specific language proficiency levels, and offer customized learning paths. This AI technology also opens up to cultural and global connections and continuous learning and improvement, as ChatGPT Voice is an AI-powered assistant that can continuously learn and improve over time. As we embrace the potential of ChatGPT with voice and look towards the future, we can envision a world where language learning becomes a seamless and enriching experience, empowering individuals to communicate, connect, and thrive in a globalized society. Remember, ChatGPT Voice is a powerful tool, but it's essential to supplement your learning with other resources and practice speaking with native speakers whenever possible. Maximize the opportunities offered by this technology, but also maintain a well-rounded approach to language learning. So let us embrace this technological marvel, unlock our linguistic potential, and embark on a transformative journey towards multilingualism and cultural understanding. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel to see more exciting and interesting content like this. Stay tuned for more learning.